I'm Beppe from Il Trullo Restaurant. I'm the owner, and I want to show you a recipe today, like easy, simple, and fresh. My recipe today will be stuffed tuna peppers. Not too many ingredients. Like you see, we go have fresh peppers, parsley, fresh garlic, black olives, capers, Parmigiano Reggiano, breadcrumbs, tuna in the can. Usually I use Rio Mare, Italian tuna, pepper, salt, and of course extra olive oil, virgin. So I wash the peppers and I cut in two. This way the peppers are ready to stuff with tuna. What we do now is we put all the tuna on a bowl. We need to mix all the ingredients in this bowl. So hot fresh parsley, all inside. Fresh garlic. Olives, black olives. Some capers. Parmigiano Reggiano, only. We can put some breadcrumbs, but half, and the rest we can put on the top of the peppers. Black pepper, salt, and touch oil, extra virgin olive oil. And we'll go mix with the hands, with everything together until the tuna and all the ingredients they go together, like that. The stuff with the tuna is, you can do like appetizer, it can be appetizer. People like to have appetizer peppers, or it can be as well like a main, you know. Depends how hungry you are as well. It's very nice healthy dish and very easy to make. All kids like tuna and peppers. My grandmother was make this dish for us usually once a week because we really love. Okay, now after you mix all the tuna with all the ingredients, what we do is we take a pan here, okay, we move some stuff around, we put some olive oil on the bottom, like that. We take one shell peppers, put some olive oil inside here, okay, and we can start to stuff the peppers, you know, slowly, one, and make sure we have enough peppers for, you have enough tuna for all the peppers. And what we do, we just put here on the pan. And you do all the same thing for all the peppers you have. Okay, after that we stuff all the peppers. We go hot and touch extra virgin olive oil on the top, each peppers, and after the breadcrumbs we put on the side, we just put on the top like that. This way when it's cooking, it will be nice and crispy on the top, like that. Oh. Okay. Now is the cooking time. You need your oven ready for 355 degrees. You have two steps to follow. The first step is cook the pepper for 40 minutes, and the step 2 is broil the peppers for another 5 minutes for give a nice crispy crust on the top. Okay, the peppers are ready. Oh, mamma mia, smells so good. This is the final dish. The full recipe you can find on our website www.iltrullodartmouth.ca. I just want to say hi to all my customers, my staff, and my friends. Stay home, be safe, and I'm sure we go see you soon. Ciao, buon appetito, Beppe from Il Trullo Restaurant.